Imagine loving someone deeply, but constantly wondering if they love you back. Imagine having a best friend, a business partner, or even a spouse, yet never feeling secure. Trust. It's invisible. But when it's broken, the entire foundation of a relationship shatters. What if I told you that rebuilding trust, even after betrayal, is possible? And even better, that you can learn how to build unshakable trust from the start. Stay with me. Let's dive deep into what trust really is, how it's built, why it breaks, and most importantly, how you can become a person others trust and depend on. Trust isn't just a word, it's a feeling. It's emotional safety. When someone trusts you, they feel seen, secure, and safe around you. They don't constantly question your intentions. They don't second-guess your loyalty. But trust is more than just believing someone won't lie to you. It's believing they'll be there when it matters most. It's believing that they won't abandon you when you're down. It's about consistency, reliability, and emotional presence. And here's the thing, trust doesn't just appear. It's built slowly and deliberately through small, consistent actions over time. Let's be real, most people have trust issues. Some were lied to, some were betrayed, some were let down by the very people they thought would protect them. And sometimes we're not even aware of our trust issues. We just keep relationships distant. We overthink, we assume the worst, we stay guarded. Because somewhere along the line, we learned that being open hurts. But here's the truth. We don't heal by closing off. We heal by learning the difference between blind trust and earned trust. Trust isn't about being naive. It's about learning how to read character, how to communicate clearly, and how to show up consistently, both for others and yourself. If you want to build trust, real trust, then you need to master these 5 pillars. First, honesty. Trust starts with honesty, not just in your words, but in your intentions. You don't need to be perfect, but you do need to be truthful, especially when it's hard. Next up is consistency. Anyone can be amazing for a day, but trust is built through repeated patterns of reliability. Are you someone who keeps their word, shows up on time, sticks to commitments? 3. Transparency. If you want people to trust you, let them see the real you. Don't hide your fears, and don't pretend to be someone you're not. 4. Empathy. Being able to put yourself in someone else's shoes changes everything. It builds emotional safety. It says, I care how you feel. I care how my actions affect you. 5. Accountability. Here's the one most people forget. When you mess up, own it. Maybe you've made mistakes, maybe someone's lost trust in you, or maybe you're the one who's been hurt. Step 1. Acknowledge the pain, don't brush it off, say it out loud. I know I hurt you, I know I let you down. Step 2. Understand what went wrong. Was it a lie? A broken promise? Neglect? You can't rebuild what you don't understand. Step 3 is open, honest communication. No defenses, no saying, but you did this first. Just listen. Speak your truth and hear theirs. Step 4 is to make a commitment to change. Not just words, actions. Repeated, consistent, and clear. Step 5 is to give it time. Trust isn't rebuilt overnight. It might take months or even longer. And if you're the one trying to trust again, remember this. Forgiveness is a gift you give yourself. You don't forgive because they deserve it. You forgive so you can move forward. Want to attract loyal friends, a strong partner, or a team that believes in you? Well, become someone people can count on. Here's how: say what you mean and mean what you say. Be there when no one else is. Don't just talk, listen deeply. Apologize when needed, forgive when necessary, and live your values even when it's hard. When you become a trustworthy person, you not only build better relationships, you attract better people into your life. Because trust is magnetic. It draws in people who want depth, not drama. Loyalty, not lies. Truth, not trends. We all want deep love, real friendships, meaningful partnerships, but these things don't just happen. They're built on the foundation of trust. So ask yourself, am I someone others can trust? Do I trust myself? Am I building relationships, or just collecting people? The quality of your relationships will define the quality of your life, and trust is the glue that holds it all together. Let me leave you with this powerful truth. You don't need hundreds of people in your life, you just need a few you can truly count on. And becoming someone trustworthy is the first step. Start today by doing one small thing that builds trust, whether it's being honest, showing up, or simply listening without judgment. Because one act of trust builds another, and before you know it, you'll be surrounded by people who lift you, love you, and stand by you. Thanks for watching. If this message spoke to you, please consider subscribing for more motivational content like this. Leave a comment below and share your thoughts or experiences about trust. And don't forget to share this video with someone who might need it today. Together, let's build stronger connections and a more trusting world.